By using the QC revision value macro, you can add a revision number on your Confluence pages. There are only 2 steps you need to follow, and you'll be finished in just a few minutes. The first thing you need to do is click the QC Page Revision Overview from the Page menu. Now, under the Edit tab, we're going to type the Revision Against Confluence Version Match Table and select Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully assigned a revision number to a version of a Confluence page. The second and last step is to simply go back to a page and add the QC revision value macro. If you see a message saying "Not assigned," don't be alarmed. It simply means that there wasn't a revision number assigned to that specific Confluence version.